Steve, you're IOSH's President-elect. How have you enjoyed IOSH10 so far?
It's been fantastic. I mean, you can just feel the atmosphere around here. Lots and lots of colleagues, visitors from overseas and so on. An excellent exhibition, and some of the speakers we've had have been truly amazing. So it's some really good sessions.
Any in particular that you've enjoyed over the past day and a half?
I think Lord Young was very interesting. I had some trepidation before he spoke, but actually I got some assurances from his words that should the Conservatives win the next election, we can expect to see full engagement from the Conservatives on health and safety professionals and recognising the professionalism that we have at IOSH.
And of course he got a bit of debate going in the main arena of the conference centre, didn't he, as well?
He did, but I think that if you listen carefully to his words, he was opening the door to IOSH to talk about the opportunities of recognising health and safety properly, and that's a debate that we welcome because I think getting rid of the poor publicity headlines is in everybody's interest, including the national economy, because we don't want to see people pillaring something when they could be concentrating on developing the economy, looking after themselves and protecting their assets.
So next year, when you're president, IOSH11, it will be you who leads us into day one. When do things start coming together with the programme for that?
Well, almost immediately, if not before so. Certainly we've been looking with our partners for the conference organisation and the staff from IOSH about how this programme is going. We're taking measurements all the time that it's running. We're starting to think about ideas for IOSH11, which will be taking place in London. We will be forming a working party and involving people from the region, people from the sectors that the topics will be drawn from, and anybody's ideas on what we can do to help people have a very successful time. So I welcome any comments from anybody regarding anything that they'd like to see at IOSH11, and certainly they will go into the melting pot.
So important for people to fill in their feedback forms and actually be honest and say what they enjoyed or what they thought should be developed for next year.
Absolutely essential. Feedback forms are always valued. It's not just the ticks that we count, it's the comments that people put in, and those are the real constructive things that we can actually say it meant something to somebody to actually write down a few words, so we should take it seriously. So I'd really like people to fill in their feedback forms.
Have you been able to sample a deep fried Mars bar while you've been here in Glasgow?
No, I've been behaving myself impeccably, as you would expect from IOSH President-elect. So anybody who thought they saw me last night was totally mistaken.
Thanks a lot for your time, Steve.
Thank you very much.